To clean debris from under the pallets in the destacker, use a walkie rider to enter the bottom pallet as normal to do a dispense. Begin to lift the pallet stack, and once it has stopped raising, turn the switch to hold. This will keep the pallet stack raised up to allow cleaning. Back away from the machine with the 2 pallets and remain parked 8 feet in front of the machine to avoid it from being used. Walk to the sides of the machine, lift and push both the left and right safety arms under the pallet stack until they fall into the locked position. Remove the debris while sweeping the floor under the pallet stack. Lift and pull the safety arms out and into the stowed position. Ensure that your feet are not near the pallet stack, then switch the machine to run. The yellow light will go off and the pallet stack will lower to the floor. The latches will reset into the second pallet and the blue light will turn off. Confirm there are no lights on. Park to the side of the machine and fill out the cleaning chart.